ka na namang magawa, no? Kaya niyaya mo akong mag-coffee.
Well, my channel's been doing pretty well. Kaya naman naisipan ko na ilibre ulit kita. Wala namang masama doon, di ba?
Attorney?
Tay!
Ay,
Ate! Sexy!
Anak, gusto ko sana namin imbitahin dun sa food and wine tasting for my birthday celebration. Attorney, if you're not doing anything, maybe you'd like to join us?
sige po.
Tay, kailangan pa po ba ako doon?
Ate Lynette, oo naman. Gusto lang din sigurado ni Dad na magustuhan mo yung food.
Kaya, tara na, let's go!
Okay, I'd love to add some of personal touches to make the event more extra special for the celebrant. I hope you don't mind.
Okay, ma'am. We'll just finish prepping the food and the wine in the function room for the tasting. And nandiyan na rin po pala yung ating team for the technical rehearsals. Tawagin niyo na lang po ako if may kailangan pa po sila.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, I'll go ahead. Okay.
Kaya tayo nandito para siguruhin na hindi tayo papalpak sa plano natin kay Lynette. Unless you're sending me a diamond necklace, this better be good.
Sorry, no diamonds here. Naninigurado lang na hindi palpak yung plano mo.
Wala ka bang tiwala sa akin? I got this. This is my show. I've got this choreographed down to the last step.
Ayoko lang na sumablay yung performance na pinagmamalaki mo. Kaya I'm coming over. Gusto ko makita mismo kung ano yung setup mo dyan.
Sandali. Nasisiraan ka na ba ng ulo? Unless gusto mong makonect ng mga tao ang dots at merong makarecognize sa'yo.
Mag-iingat ako, Patricia. Besides, I wouldn't want to miss the grand finale of your little masterpiece.
Ito talagang mga lalaki. They always want to meddle in a woman's work. Nakakaasar.
Ma'am, na-check ko na kanina yung chandelier. Kayang-kaya ko na pong gawa ng paraan mamaya.
During the program, there will be many well-wishers. Napupunta dun sa stage, tapos magbibigay ng speech para kay Ramir. Ngayon, pag si Lynette na ang nasa stage, that'll be your moment. You will get your signal from Vivian. Hindi dapat maaga at hindi dapat malate.
At kailangan palabasin natin na aksidente to, Paco. Ilang beses mo nang ginagawa to, kaya dapat kabisado mo na.
Ako pa ba? Kayang-kaya ko yan.
Just make sure walang ibang masasaktan. Not Ramir or Trixie.
Copy, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Patricia!
Oh!